Good morning again, dear colleagues in the hustle of trading. How you guys doing? It's time for second community service to create dope traders, to teach and inspire. Listen, if you actually listen to the things that have been said here, you will actually become a dope trader. So do you want to become a dope trader? Listen. 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 Listen to the things that have been said. Listen to the do's, listen to the don'ts, because no matter how you try to ignore them, one day you will listen to it by force. If you are ever going to be successful in trading, trading will force you to do the right thing. It will force you. And if you wait for trading to force you to do the right thing, it's going to force you by frustrating you. So you want to avoid the frustration that comes with trading. Listen to the instructions. You know, when I first started learning to trade, I would see things like how I made $10,000 in one day. I made this in one day, because people want clickbait. I find it so unfair, but anyway, who am I to judge? And because we all want that freedom and we all want that easy, we all want that easy way to make good money, you know. So we just jump on these things and keep trying and keep trying. So in my beginning days, I was focused more on those, how to make this, how I made this, how I made that. I was really focused on it, I would not lie. And then when I would see the videos where people would speak about don't over risk, don't over leverage your accounts, don't risk more than 1%, 2%, I said to myself, really? So I'm going to make, how much money am I going to make using 1% or 2%? Now, even unfortunately for me, I was already doing other businesses where I was earning money. So when I think about the returns from the 1%, it seemed whack. But after a long time of losing money, I knew that, listen, for me to get this right, I need to listen to the people who are giving the right advice. And that was the end of my blowing on of accounts. Because listen, if you are risking 2% per trade, how will you blow your account? Do you know how many times you need to lose money with 2% per trade before you blow your account? That will be 50 times. So you want to become good at trading, listen to instructions, listen to people that have been before you. They say a wise man learns from experience, but I say a wiser man learns from other people's experience. Why do you have to have the experience when other people have had it? Because the thing about experience, you see those experiences that teach, those experiences that give wisdom, they burn you. So for you to have that experience, you will feel something. So why do you have to wait to have the experience? When somebody else has had the experience, then jump on it and use it as your own experience. Own it, and it will help you, to teach you, to make you wiser. It will make you experience something without experiencing it, to make you experience something without being burned by it. Anyway, if you're here if you've seen us for the first time, what we do on here is that we analyze charts, share areas of possible entries to simplify this thing called trading for people. We're not looking for anything in return. Just interact with us, help us, ask questions, we will give answers, and this way can help us know if we're doing right. What are we looking at trading today? Price is ranging right now. Oh, there's a good 600 pip range here. So look here. What do we say about trading range? We buy at the lowest, sell at the highest. So what am I going to do in this range? I'm going to give it 2 seconds to think about it, because if you're following for a long time, you should know. What am I going to do in this range? Okay, now I will tell you. If I can get this candle to close bullish, I would enter a buy right here. Because if it closes bullish, I will hope that price will return a little bit to give me an entry, because this is the lowest. That way, if it stops us out, we can use this 30-minute candle as our stop loss area. If it stops us out, we're ready to be fine. If price closes bullish, I'll allow it to retrace slightly a little bit, enter from this point, because like I said, we buy at the lowest area of the range. Around here is already towards the middle. So If price close bullish, we enter a trade from here, follow it all the way up. Close above, bullish confirmation, buy, and follow it up and see if we refill this gap. If it goes all the way up to this area and candle close, we can buy from here to go all the way up. However, if price pushes down here and gives a bullish confirmation, we buy. Pushes down here, give bullish confirmation, we buy. Push down here and give bullish confirmation, we buy. However, for sales, if you don't understand bullish and bearish confirmations, I have a playlist titled From Novice to Pro that can bring you up to speed with all these confirmation jargons. However, for sales, if we have price push and close below this bullish candle right here, we'll sell and follow it down. Close below, sell. Break and close below, sell. If price pushes back up, give us a bearish confirmation right at this top, sell. Push or bearish confirmation, sell. Up here, bearish confirmation, sell. Remember, guys, I do not trade all these zones. I only trade one or two. I just have these all different zones so that I can have a plan based on anything that the market could possibly do. I don't overtrade. Please don't overtrade. I keep repeating this every time. Please do not overtrade. Be patient. When I say candle close, I'm referring to 30 minutes candle. So always wait for your 30 minutes candle to close, and this will better your trade a lot more. And please remember, do not assume what a candle is going to do. 30 seconds is enough time for a candle to do something different from what you saw it doing. So please be patient, wait for your candles to close, and your trade will get better. I wish you a beautiful day trading. All the best, y'all. Peace out. God, are we born?